The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Louisa County, northeastern Cumberland County, Gooseland County, northwestern Hanover County, northwestern Powhatan County, Fluvanna County, until 5 p.m. At 4:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Madison to Crozet, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Boswell's Tavern around 4:35 p.m. Lake Monticello and Troy around 4:40 p.m. Louisa, Palmyra, and Funcliffe around 4:45 p.m. Mineral, Fort Union, and Kent's Store around 4:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Orchid, Three Square, Central Plains, Bremer Bluff, Whiteville, Westview, West Crossroads, Wilmington, Pemberton, and Dixie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at NWS Wakefield, VA.